We are going to see how to construct root 2 on the number line. I have written the steps of construction over here. The first step would be to draw the number line. I have drawn a number line and that is the first step, draw the number line. And here on the number line, I am going to mark 0 as the point O. If you want, you can use some other letter, and I am marking this 1 as A. So this is O and this is A. OA is equal to 1 unit. Now I have used inch scale because I want it to be clear in the video, clear and visible in the video. You can use centimeter scales. You can use this also. The diagram will be a little bit smaller, that's all. I have used inch scale. So that just for clarity of the video. Now here I am taking this point as O and this point as A, and OA is equal to 1 unit. I have written those two steps here. Then at this point A, we are making a perpendicular and we are going to call it as AB. For drawing the perpendicular, you can use a protractor or a compass. I am going to just use a protractor here. See, I am taking the center point, and I am going to keep it here at the point A. This center point should match A. And the base line should be aligned with our number line. Now this is our perpendicular. We don't need this point. This just gives you the size of the perpendicular. I am going to join this. Now here all this is not needed. We are going to measure 1 unit. From here to here I have a 1 unit. I am just marking that from here to here. This will be my B. Now AB is perpendicular to OA and AB is equal to 1 unit, which I have written here. AB perpendicular to OA and AB is equal to 1 unit. Now what we are going to do is almost the last step. We are marking OB is equal OB. We are joining OB. Now this OB, if you measure, it will give you the value of square root of 2. Square root of 2's value is 1.414 approximately. It is an irrational number. It will be non-terminating, non-recurring. Just if we round off the first 3 digits, we are getting 1.414. So if you measure this, this also will be approximately the same. But you see, the B is not on the number line. We want to construct root 2 on the number line. So what we will do is, we are going to use a compass to draw an arc. From here, I am going to measure this B here, OB. So I have taken the radius of OB and we are going to draw an arc here. So now here you are getting a point. Now if you measure it from here to here, it will give you 1.414, at least 1.4. It will lie between 1.4 and 1.5. 1.5 means you should get exactly in the middle. This is slightly less than, so this should be correct. This point I am marking as C and I am going to call it as OC. OC is equal to square root of 2. Now we have I have written the steps of construction only up to OB, and I have written the justification also, which I didn't tell you yet. Here we have OA equal to 1 unit and AB is also equal to 1 unit, but I just said OB is square root of 2. For that we are using Pythagoras theorem. It is a right angle triangle. This OAB is a right angle triangle. It is right angled at the point A. And so OB is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Base is 1 square plus AB is also 1. So we are writing 1 here. So we get total 2. OB is square root of 2. So this OB here is root 2. So what will we get? OC is also equal to root 2 because we took OB as the radius. We are getting OC is also equal to root 2. So we will make that as the last step of construction. So this is the last step with O as center and OB as radius. What did we do? We cut an arc. The arc we marked as C and OC is equal to square root of 2. So we write at last here OC equal to root 2 units.